Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard size in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and see here, this is the keyboard. If you want to resize this keyboard size, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the typing interface first and go to this three horizontal dots and here swipe and you will see keyboard size option. Just click that. Click here and now you can adjust keyboard size. Just pick up and drag. Okay, drag like this and keyboard size will be changing. Also you can adjust in vertical direction. In all direction you can do changes. Okay, so this is the final size I would like to set and click on done. Finally, yes, this is the keyboard size. Hereafter this will be the keyboard size for your phone. If you would like to later change your mind, and if you would like to restore to the default original size, or if you would like to change it to other size, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is again you have to go to this three horizontal dots and swipe from right side to left side and here select keyboard size and you can restore as per your wish. Finally click on done. Yes, it is set. Okay, so in this way you can easily change keyboard size as per your wish in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.